like that. Hello friends, happy Sunday. I just basa mosquito. I was CWO meeting. So Sika Nzie Obere Ozia before now by a meeting. Kekunu Mere, how are you? I want to give you a message that only Mother Mario will tell you this. Imana, bye bye. Mpakri moteba. So, Nchori Pasi, this message before now by your meeting. Something that oh okay. Oh, how are you friends? I have this question for you. Have you booked your vacation for this year? Have you booked? Are you considering vacation for this year, 2025? This is just April. Summer is coming, fast approaching. From next month, summer kicks off. May, June, July, August, September, and October. Have you booked your summer vacation? Okay. Now, some people will say, how? Let me tell you. It's time you start taking care of yourself. Okay? It is time you start with your family to start taking care of yourself. Oh my God. So, what am I trying to say is that many of you who European country citizens, many of you UK citizens, Ireland citizens, wherever, American citizens, you know. Now, how do you use this your citizenship? That's, I mean, passport Hibunaka that makes you a citizen of a country. Country where you came by so many countries without visa. Kedi hine GM. Amam hine GM. But actually, it's time many of you start taking care of yourself. It's time you start taking care of yourself. Okay? Why do I say this? Let me tell you. Inanya nde nuru di na nwunye. Pia anu di na nwunye. Anu di na nwunye. Ebido struggle wa. I try di me, I try mu nwa. adime amụọ nwa ana struggle ana azụ nwa etonite primary school, secondary school, high institution, nwatakịrị ivenu gụchakwa high institution ana achọ ka o yesi wee nweta ọrụ. Nwatakịrị ya emechakwa nụọ nwaanyị ma ọ nụọ nwunye, nne na nna ya ka tinyekwara isi n'ebe ọ nọ. When do you have time to enjoy your marriage? After the wedding, after the marriage. When do you have time to enjoy your family? It's all about work. Man America, man Europe, man Nigeria, it's all about struggle. And wherever you are, you can enjoy yourself. You can enjoy it. It's not about iri. It's about unwi. A time to rest. Mandi father, mandi sister. Onye father gechi father always subiri. Ana care for souls of ndị ọzọ. When do you have time to care for your soul, father? Sister, the same thing. When do you have time? Or here Jesus gwara I see no rest. But when this row, but see no rest for the wicked. You people are not the wicked now. Ukochukwu, chiri ukochukwu. Ina alone. Iga hu nke ahụ. O si na ọ chọrọ ịbịa ịga vacation. Fara ga-eje vacation. Ọ chọba parish ebe ọ ya eje wee rụọ ọrụ. Ịbịakwa vacation n'obodo oyibo ma ije. Ị na-achọkwa ebe ị ya anọ ka ị rụọ ọrụ wee kpata ego. Gị ka ejide ego eme. You need a place. Go and rest. That's why it's called vacation. That's why Nga Nigeria vacation. Otaisi akwe. Adi bezukwu ike. Ndi sister ga-enyegide m so aga solve one problem to the other. All our projects ane banya adi mezu ike. That's why when I come back, I look for time out, vacation time. A time you enjoy it, you relax, you rest, because body not be wood. The body is not engine. Even engine na rukatonu ikagwe ya yasa. Utanka hode. You need time for rest, not working vacation. The sister, of course, I didn't put a vacation. Mana umunne ego. Sister, you know, each vow of poverty. Umunne friends ego. Save to ego for your vacation. You need it, sister. It's not all. This one has nothing to do with your vow of poverty. Your vow of poverty, wo? Awufuli okay. Maybe. Don't waste. Chekwabi he. Marana, yeah. Adila materialistic. Rest is not being materialistic. It's not acquisition. Akwayanka. Your health. Ibiasigi riesboni check your diet. This and that. Carry ezumike. Sometimes you hear people asking, when malaria, when typhoid, or when malaria hanwere. Or when typhoid hanwere. Ihe na-eme how exhaustion. Exhaustion. I have overworked myself. Like now, I worked last night, yesterday being Saturday, from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Mbemna Basala, driver 45 minutes to my house. I drive 45 minutes to work every day. Mbemna Lotala, Okwala 8. Mbianyaka, mekpere, clean ụlọ, may what I will do, and start going to mass. Our mass is 11 a.m. Nyaka ibasa kita, we are entering meeting ndo otu anyị. Okay? After meeting kita, mbana emeshana meeting kita, ona almost 3-4. Head na naru na kwado. Evening prayer, I will be back to work by 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. Monday morning, because this is my weekend to work. So, we We don't rest n'obodo oyibo. And ndị nọkwa n'ụlọ, ndị na-agba mbọ, na struggle, 5 days week. So what I'm saying is that many people, a lot of people, passport na ka family fe ha GM has struggled for citizenship of a country. Family fe ha GM except Eroru, Ibino Bodoibo. You need to sometimes get out of the country, get out of the state, Father, brother, sister, one name, you married couples, take your family, save we. Na hu behego ejeri nni. Okay, obu ni jide ego, aka ni na ha nsogbu ade. But weputa ichesi ọrụ lọta izu ike. Mana obu ni ijie, make out time with your family. Get out. Get a hotel. Book oye ndezigbo hotel. Maka onwe ndị ke nna anuzi a lot of things. Aru na emene ya. Owu na church nwezi guest house, pastoral centers, retreat centers, monasteries. Go there, a time to pray, a time to reflect, a time to rest, a time to eat a good food with your family. Ụfọdụ ndị nụrụ di na nwunye fada ahụ di ha anya. Nwoke na-arụ ọrụ ụtụtụ, nwaanyị na-arụ ọrụ abalị. Amara mgbe unu ji anọkọ. Then you need a time out. But guess what? I have a good news for you. Unu mana mother Mario just clock or 25 years as a religious, right? So, my friends in America, United States of America, chora is celebrating my silver jubilee. No, drop easy. Other easy. Onye rie horuru ogo ya oburu osa. Obuni nudi na nwunye. We be 25 years, it's worth celebration. I have lived this life as a religious, as a sister, for 25 good years. Etorugo madisim, sister, God bless you specially. So my friends wants to honor me. We celebrated it na bani. I went home na Christmas because na November can clock 27th of November. So ndifa bani, my home parish received me in a great way. Now my friends in America want to celebrate me, and they have fixed that celebration to be August 10 in America, Eba. So, do you want to come? I influenced the date called Broge vacation time. So tell me, do you want to come? Don't tell me, work invitation is your visa. Obuni need reach your visa. So body can park here one side. But Obuni visa already. Brunei was citizen of any country visa free to America. Try a vacation in Texas. It's going to be celebrated in Texas, USA. Try a vacation with your family. Let me know. Inbox me. Meanwhile, there's a brochure we are doing for the occasion. If you want to advertise your business on the brochure, inbox me, let me know. If you want to put congratulatory message for Mother Mario, don't just answer my friend just like that. I have a lot of people I'm training, orphans. I take care of the blinds. So, use this opportunity to bless me. Orurumu. Maka ụfọdụ n'ime unu adị enye ndị sister ego. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu adị enye inyenugo onye sister ego mgbe ịdashinugo onye sister ego. Imetụ onye sister Christmas ma Easter. Also father ka unu na-enye. Asa kwa bụ na-enye na father. Ndị ụmụnne ndị father ọsọ unu ka ha na-enye. Onwe ndị sister na-enye anyị maka na nwe nke anyị na-arụrụ ha abi mana at least Mother Mario gives you joy. Abụ m onye ị na-echere m Chukwuma. Abụ m onye ị na-echere Chukwuma. So, what I'm trying to say, Chineke na-echere m, and I thank him for 25 years. He has been protecting me, guiding my vocation, and doing everything for me. I remain grateful because I am a happy religious. I am a happy sister. Happiness. So I want you to put your family. If you say you're my fan, if you're following me, if you love me, I want you to put congratulatory message for me in my brochure. A page is $100. Half page is $60. Okay? Support my congregation, the missionary daughters of the Eternal Father, the Mariorite sisters of Holy Love, the Mariorite brothers of Holy Love. Support us. Anyhow you can support us. Congratulate me. Support my projects. Support those I am taking care of. I want you. You can sell it to this phone number 7+1. For those in America, this is American account number 718-683-6367. And let me know. Text me that you sent something, and then I'll give you email to send the congratulatory message. I want you to write. What do you feel about? How do you feel about me? Put it down in your congratulatory message. The email is lovemarioforchrist@yahoo.com. I'll repeat it. You can put your Zelle, your congratulatory message money, or your support. This is Lenten period. You can support my project with this Zelle number 718-683-6367. Email your congratulatory message at lovemarioforchrist for my message this life. lovemarioforchrist@yahoo.com. Abum Ugeze Jesus. Ọkụnụ ma ihe a na-akpọ ugeze, ịma na-abịa na be anyị ndị nwunye ndị eze ka a na-akpọ ugeze. So nwa abụrụ nwunye eze nke obodo, abụ nwunye eze Jesus, the President General of all nations, the King of Kings of all nations. Onye mbụ ugeze ya. Ugeze Jesus. Be happy. Don't let anybody take away your happiness. Try vacation this time around. Let me know. I'll help you rent a full house where you can be able to enjoy with your family. I'll help you get a good hotel where you can stay. So, plan your vacation. This is still April. You have May, June, July, August. You still have good 4 months to plan your vacation. So, it's time. It is time. Get ready, prepare for your vacation. They will not tell you this. They will only tell you other things you want to be hearing. You want to be hearing here shiriki. That's what you want me to come to the social media to be telling you. Hey, it's so difficult. Hey, we are managing. My dear, you have worked. You have tried in your life. You are not a lazy man. You are not a lazy woman. You have tried. And therefore, when you try and make little money, you need to enjoy it. Because life is one time. One life to live. One life to live. Me wonye father, me wonye sister, me wu bishop, me wu one life to live. Because when you get sick, that's when you know. And then when you die, hey, nobody is indispensable. When you die, the next time I got chota, onye ga no chanyagi. Let me tell you. Obgodu munnem di father. Inora na mass, ineku mass, onwe he mere no father da pakam. I got chota every father also get finish that mass. Yes, that is our church. So what am I saying? You need time off. Your time off is not a time you go and start looking for where to work again. You need a time to enjoy yourself. Come for my 25 years silver jubilee anniversary and enjoy yourself. Okay? I get one welcoming party on the 9th of August, and then the main party on the 10th being Sunday. Immediately after Mass, we party. After that, spend your time. I'm going to show you places you're going to enjoy your vacation, where you're going to go. You want to go for a cruise. And meanwhile, guess what? I am going for a cruise with my women, my CWO women, this month. This month, we're going for a cruise. My women understand. They know that it's not only just marriage. They're going to leave their husband that 4 days we are going for a cruise. Because their husbands that it is good. Where enjoy ya onwe ha. Yes, they approved it. So, if you are a husband and you don't approve your wife to enjoy herself with, sometimes, well, sorry. Sometimes too, digging where can happen togi. For a day too, you want to break kurutu mendo for good. What when you can wear something. That's why sometimes you hear people that are crazy about their class reunion because they want to get out of the house. Wear it kurutu mendo. This life is not about tying somebody up. No. No. Even sisters in the convent, even the non-monastery na gospel vacation. So, enjoy yourself. May God bless you all. I love you.